Oh, flash is on. Another day, another video, starting off in a truck. Seems to be how I start all these videos. But we're headed to Calgary to pick up the gray truck. Schultz Diesel Sports, rebuilt the transmission in it, installed a higher stall torque converter. I got a s467 turbocharger in the back seat here too. We're gonna throw on before we do any tuning. Curious to see how that compares to the current turbo that's on the truck. But yeah, check in when we get to Schultz, do a little video swapping the turbo over, and take some footage, data logging and tuning. Made it to Schultz, beat Dallas here, so I guess we gotta wait for him to show up before he can let us in. Truck's inside, so excited for this. In the shop, got the VS laid out. Time to start ripping apart the intake charge system and pulling this charger out of there. I haven't done any work on this since the Felder boys built this kit, so I don't even know exactly how it comes apart quite yet, but we'll find out as we go. Not bad. About an hour in. Got the charge pipes, intake, compressor wheel off, cartridge out. We have the exhaust housing unbolted, ready to pull. So that should come out here pretty easy. And then it's time to drop in the new one. Hopefully this just comes out. Oh, yeah. Easy peasy. Exhaust housing on the lathe here. We just got to make it a little bit bigger so that it fits the downpipe correctly and put her on. A little bit of fitment issues with the drain off of this turbo. So we got a spacer. It hits here too. Dallas was over there trimming or filing down the drain so that it clears here. But with this spacer, and it trimmed down a little here, should give us enough clearance to put the drain line on. Turbo's in, oil and feed hooked up. Just working on coolant routing through the turbo. Then put on the piping and start it up.
Everyone, welcome to the channel.
Everything's hooked up. You're good. You're good.
Hopefully it works.
Hopefully it works. Everything but intake's on. So add some coolant. Fire it up. Okay, starting.
Yeah, great.
Tuning time.
Yeehaw.
Back around.
Yeah, I think we're gonna change some trans tuning it because now that it actually has a converter, you can feel it.
Yeah.
Rev through it.
Yeah.
Right. Where before it was so tight, so we're going to start going to get the converter lock up in lower gears now instead. So.
Really good.
Yeah, it's way better getting on top of it now.
Yeah.
There we go. I'm just gonna play with lockup. I just don't want to lock it too early, but here you should downshift already. So it was like big converter slip, right? It got up to 3,900 RPM here in second gear, like 1,000 RPM of slip. We know because it has a stall, but then it locked itself right away. Woof. So from when it locks, it shifts to third, whoa, 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 and shifts to fourth, right all there, and that was 3 seconds.
Like 3-4 in that time frame.
It was literally well at 1850, 52. It's very quick there. All kind of happened right side by side there, where it was second unlocked, locked the converter, shifted to third, shifted to fourth, back to back to back there. Let me go look at something here.
Finished up at Schultz, turbo swapped, tuning, trans and engine tuning, revised a bit there. Got it on a tune. We're just gonna see how this handles and learn to drive it on this tune, and then maybe revise it a bit more after. But works really good, especially with this new stall converter. Gets into boost way faster, power way faster. All in all, I'm pretty stoked with how it's come out. But yeah, we're done here for the day. Headed back home, and catch you guys again in another video. Thanks for watching.